In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Bittrex Global. We'll start by finding the official Bittrex Global website using Google. Open your browser, type Bittrex into the search bar, and look for the result that clearly shows the bittrexglobal.com domain. Take a moment to double-check the URL and avoid sponsored links or lookalike pages, then click through to open the site. Once you're on Bittrex Global, select Login and sign in as you normally would. Make sure your connection is secure and that you're comfortable proceeding. After you're in, head to your wallet. Choose the cryptocurrency you plan to receive. Bitcoin is a common example, and open its deposit section. This will display your deposit address and, in many cases, the supported network. Copy the address carefully and note the exact network shown for that asset. Matching the network on both sides is essential to make sure your funds arrive safely. Next, let's move over to Binance. You can use Google again to search for Binance, then click the official Binance.com result. Once you're on the site and signed in, navigate to your wallet and open the overview page. This is where you can see your balances and quickly move into funding actions. From your wallet overview, choose Withdraw. Ensure you're on the Crypto Withdrawal tab, not the fiat one. Select the same coin you chose on Bittrex Global. Sticking with our example, that would be BTC. Now, paste the Bittrex Global wallet address you copied into the recipient or address field on Binance. Binance may suggest a network automatically, but don't rely on automation alone. Confirm that the selected network exactly matches the one shown on your Bittrex deposit screen. Using the wrong network can lead to irreversible loss of funds, so take a moment to verify the coin ticker, address format, and network name. Enter the amount you want to send, then review the withdrawal fee and any minimums before proceeding. If you're unsure about anything, it can be helpful to start with a small amount to validate the address and network match. When everything looks correct, continue through the security confirmations and submit the withdrawal. You'll see a pending status while the transaction is broadcast and confirmed on the blockchain. Timing depends on network conditions. You can monitor progress in your Binance withdrawal history, and your Bittrex Global wallet will reflect the deposit after the required confirmations. That's it. We used Google to reach Bittrex Global, logged in to get the correct deposit address, went to Binance Wallet Overview, initiated a withdrawal, and pasted the Bittrex address to move funds safely. Always verify URLs, coin symbols, and networks, and keep your account security up to date.